Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Smart Tech Expert YouTube channel. Today we will describe about the Deep Space Food Challenge announced by Canadian Space Tech Agency. The winners of this Deep Space Food Challenge will be getting $10 million. So how can you can apply for this competition from home, and how what type of food is required to winning this challenge. So today in this video we will uh, describe the detail about Deep Space Food Challenge winning competition. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Smart Tech Expert, to get latest videos regarding the technology. Smart Tech Expert is the Pakistan #1 YouTube technology challenge. Deep Space Challenge. What is the Deep Space Challenge? NASA has announced 1 million rewards or funding for long distance space flight, announcing technology to provide energy efficient and environmentally friendly food permanently to astronauts. So NASA announced this Deep Space Food Challenge, and further any person can also participate in this Deep Space Food Challenge competition, as long as the food is full of energy, delicious and nutritious, and special attention should be paid to energy and environment, as there are no facilities like land for cooking in space. So or any ordinary people, any cooking personalities, any cooking experts can also participate in this competition food space food challenge, which have capabilities to design the food competition, as long as the food is full of energy, delicious and nutritious and special attention. So next, the program launched in partnership with the Canadian Space Agency has sought the help of scientists and the general public. The competition is called Deep Space Food Challenge. It requires individuals or teams to provide practical examples of designing, preparing, and delivering food preparation technology. So CSA agency of Canadian Space Agency announced this competitions with the partnership of NASA. The condition is that in the alien atmosphere of space, scientists should be provided with all the necessary ingredients that are rich in nutrients. But according to NASA insiders, the same technology will be able to meet food needs in the event of disasters and famines on Earth, and thus the potential of this technology can be very wide. Deep Space Food Challenge, Jim Reuters, NASA's deputy administrator, said that space travel requires innovative thinking on food. That is why we are calling technology the food of the future. Now, its Space 2 has started in phase 1 of October 2021. 18 teams participated, some money was given on it. Now 10 teams have been selected in the second phase, and the competition is going on between them. But in this second phase, more new teams from USA may also join, and this time the amount has been increased to $1 million. But the condition is that one effective and complete technology can be used to fill the stomachs of human beings in long space travel. So you can also participate in this Deep Space Food Challenge by joining the NASA and Canadian Space Agency. You can contact on official website of NASA and other Canadian space technology websites. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much.